Why is everything as a file fundamental to Unix? Imagine a world where every part of your computer, from the hardware to running programs, speaks the same language. That's what the idea that everything is a file does for Unix systems. It means that devices, processes, and system settings are all represented as files or file-like objects. This makes managing your system much simpler because you use the same commands for everything. When you want to read data from a device or check on a process, you just open and read a file. For example, in Linux distributions, hardware devices like your hard drive or keyboard appear as special files in the file system. You don't need special commands to interact with them. You just use standard file operations. Processes and system information are available through virtual files in the proc directory. These files show real-time data about running programs and kernel parameters. This design allows you to use familiar commands like cat, grep, or ls to work with system resources. It also means that tools built for handling files can be used to manipulate devices or system data without rewriting code. Developers benefit because they only need to learn one set of system calls to interact with many resources. This also makes it easier to add new resources to the system. If a new device or feature is represented as a file, it can be accessed just like any other file. When you use the command line interface in Linux distributions, this principle shines. You can navigate through proc-to-C processes or read kernel info with simple commands. This consistent approach makes scripting and automation straightforward. Instead of learning different commands for each resource, you just work with files. The idea that everything is a file is a core part of Unix's simplicity and power. It keeps the system flexible, extensible, and easy to understand. This is why managing files with command line tools in Linux is so effective. It's all about using the same familiar commands to control a wide range of system resources. This approach reduces complexity and makes system management more intuitive. So, in essence, this principle creates a unified way to handle everything on your computer, making Unix systems both user-friendly and highly adaptable.